Does the ROCCAT Magma have the substance to back up its impressive style? When it comes to the style itself, the fully illuminated backplate is the star of the show. The RGB LEDs look great, and the ROCCAT Swarm software allows for a wide variety of lighting customization to bring out the full lighting potential of the Magma. While individually lit keys would look more unique on each switch, the fully lit backplate is still captivating to look at. While mechanical switches are much better than dome switches, I think the ROCCAT Magma did a serviceable job with their switches here, especially considering the fact it is cheaper than any mechanical keyboard with these features. I did not run into any response time issues when using this keyboard for gaming or work applications. The ABS keycaps work just fine as well. The 26 key rollover is a nice addition when compared to other membrane keyboards with more limited key rollover capabilities. I also appreciate the fact the rest wrist is included. The only major issue I had was that there is a considerable amount of keyboard flex, but this is to be expected considering the base is made out of plastic. Other than that, Swarm needs a major update, but you have probably already heard this in our other ROCCAT product reviews. If you are seeking a mechanical keyboard, this product is simply not that. However, if you are someone who is not picky about switches and tight on budget, the ROCCAT Magma is a keyboard with capable performance, good switches, and reasonable build quality. I think this is a great deal for this creatively built membrane keyboard at a retail price of $60 as of press time. For the full review, please click on the link in the description.